Hi everyone. My name is Matt. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the background color of WooCommerce Store Notice in Astra Theme. There is an affiliate link to Astra Theme in the description, and when you buy, you don't pay more, but I get a commission, so thank you for that. So let's get started. This site is a template imported from Astra Starter Templates. Click Customize. WooCommerce Store Notice. And click on the checkbox to enable the feature. You can write your message in the text box. The default color is a purple background with white text. Currently, there is no way to change the colors in the global color settings. The color setting only allows you to change theme color and text color in normal, active, and hover states. Hence, how do we change the colors? Well, you will have to add the CSS code to change them. Key in these codes and you will see the changes instantly. You can change the color with either color code or name. Click Publish to save your changes. And that's all for this tutorial. You can find my full review with a comparison of Astra Theme and Neve theme in my blog. I hope this helps with your web design. Feel free to like and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming tutorials. Bye now.